I'm testing Google's new AI, Nano Banana. Can it swap clothes and scenes, or just go bananas? Let's see. I'm using Vertex AI via Google API to see what Nano Banana can really do. My tools, my own portrait, random dresses, scenic backgrounds, and flowers. Oh, and ChatGPT. But let's just say, ChatGPT forgot one little thing that almost broke everything. Spoiler, the secret sauce was setting location equals global, thanks to a coworker for saving me from hours of yelling at my screen. Let's start simple. One image, one prompt, change my outfit with just words. Boom, flawless. 2 images, still perfect. Nano Banana is like, I got this. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. 3 inputs, dress me up, drop me into a new world, and give me flowers. This AI is on fire. This is where things still feel magical. Identity preserved, shadows look right. 10 out of 10 would take to Photoshop battle. Now, 4 inputs. Full body outfit, holding a flower, new background, looking into the camera. Can Nano Banana handle it? Who is this? This isn't me. This is Banana Karen? Turns out, more than 3 inputs, and Nano Banana loses the plot. Identity goes poof, no matter how you prompt it. Nope, nada. Banana meltdown. So here's what I learned. Nano Banana is fantastic for 1 to 3 inputs. Photorealistic, accurate, smooth integration. But 4+, it needs more training. Or maybe just a memory upgrade. Pro tip, if your AI stops working, maybe it's not the prompt, it's the setup. Read the docs or get another set of eyes. This experiment wasn't just for fun, it's a sneak peek at what's next for Visla. Smarter, AI-powered video creation. Imagine having these visuals at your fingertips. If you loved watching me go bananas with Nano Banana, hit like, subscribe, and drop a line in the comments. What crazy test should I try next?